One day morning, while strolling gently across the sky, Toby stumbled upon a quiet little building wrapped in soft silver mist. Hanging above the doorway was a sign that read, "Lost and Found for Forgotten Things." Sitting peacefully at the entrance was a cloud that shimmered in soft bluish silver light. Her name was Misty, and she was the keeper of all things gently forgotten. "Hello, Toby. I've been waiting for you," she said in a calm and caring voice. "Waiting for me." Toby tilted his head. "There are things here that once belonged to you, but you've forgotten what they looked like," Misty explained as she opened a glowing memory cabinet. Inside, countless twinkling fragments floated, a chipped glass marble pieced back together, a crumpled note, and a distant sound of laughter. Toby blinked. These are mine from when I was little?" Misty nodded. "They are moments you cried, smiled, hugged, or hoped. Some you've tucked away with time, but they never truly left you." Just then, a faded piece of paper floated out and landed softly in Toby's lap. It was his first ever birthday card to his mum. The handwriting wobbly but full of love. "Mummy is my cloud sunshine." Toby stared at it, his eyes gently misting over. Misty spoke again. "We don't always forget on purpose. Sometimes life rushes forward so fast that our hearts get too busy. But when you stop to truly see again, memories glow." Soon, Pom-Pom, Crybaby Cloud, and Singy Cloud arrived, each drawn in by the warm mist. Pom-Pom found the scent of the very first time she made cloud cocoa. Crybaby Cloud remembered someone once telling her that her tears sparkled like stars. And Singy Cloud heard the soft tune of her first ever hum. The lost and found began to shimmer, like the sky was remembering itself. "Is there something I can do?" Toby asked, watching the light dance around them. "You already are," said Misty with a smile. "When you help others to remember and cherish, nothing is ever truly lost." Toby looked down at his cloud-shaped shell, now softly glowing, and nodded. He understood. Memories aren't just things from the past. They are keys that unlock love all over again. That day, the sky turned especially tender, as if it were humming a familiar lullaby, gently wrapping every cloud in its arms.